This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Must-see charming contemporary home located in the Salem Lakes section of Virginia Beach. Sellers have made updates to the home to include a new kitchen with stainless steel appliances and the water heater and HVAC, which were replaced in the last 5 years. This home features spacious rooms and lots of character. Just look at the fireplace west/faux stacked firewood facade and a wood-paneled accent wall in the living area. The sunroom is an added bonus and can serve many purposes, such as a greenhouse if you happen to be a plant enthusiast like the owner. The large deck area with pergola gives endless possibilities for outdoor living in this fully fenced backyard. On a large corner lot of a cul-de-sac, this home is sure to become your oasis. For more information, review the details below.